Alright, so we got episode 2, Chainsaw Man. Make sure everything on, get that shit started. Whew. Nah, episode 1 was crazy. We gotta get straight into 2. That girl is, what's her name? I forgot. Scary as hell. What's it called? Arrival in Tokyo. We got one more episode today. So we got today's episode. Alright, say that. I might do it back to back. Because I want to start Mob Psycho. I don't know if I'm going to start yet, though. We're going to see. Let's get into it. So you're just going to work for them? Or like... Oh, he's the main nigga. He gonna be calling her mom. Nah, this is crazy. He's gonna be calling her mommy. Drew, I'm talking about you, bro. Yo, this is crazy. Nah. But she real. She not hiding nothing. He's a sex slave? Oh shit. Fucking sex slave. He's not holding back. He lost his nut, now he's taking all risks.
飼ってた悪魔が俺の心臓になったんす。その話信じるよ。私は特別に鼻が利くんだ。だからわかる。君の親友は君の中で生きてる。二つの匂いがする。
Okay, Tanjiro. Yeah, they're like ripping each other off. Look, gee.
そりゃすげえ。
Too similar. Oh shit. Am I lying? 8:45 right now while I'm recording this. I didn't even go to sleep.
はい。
He just like me.
こんな伸びてるうどんも美味しいだなんて。デンジ君みたいな人。デンジ君
He's not trying to put... Don't fumble, don't fumble. I like a guy like type. Yo, you know when they be like, I want a guy like you. I'm a guy like me. She's using you, bro.
そういう関係になったら、そういう行為もできるんじゃ。してそういう行為して
Bro's about to risk his life to get the kill after he sold his nut. What is this? Oh, they work buddies. Yeah, he got that actually.
彼の名前は
That's her main nigga. I'm folding. I'm folding. I folded. I don't care. She's bad. I folded, nigga. I folded. Told you he was the main nigga. Oh, you look like Shikamaru, low-key.
ピンポーン。殴って正解だったな。マキマさんには俺から言っといてやるよ。お前は悪魔にビビって逃げたって。
Bro, he spit on you? Fuck this nigga up. Yeah, boss shit, bro. Good for you. Like, don't spit on me. What did you expect? That's man.
男と喧嘩するとき股間しか狙わねえ。
He knows about that. Poor Chita.
マキマさんはな、お前みたいなチンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよ。
ああ、んだよ。てめえもマキマさんが好きなだけじゃねえか。
He's whack. He's playing the long game, bro. He's smart.
弾を襲われました。嘘。
君は早川君の部隊に入ってもらう。
Did you not hear him?
部隊
ような実験的な体制で動かしてみるってと悪に働こうってこと。
どっかに逃げたら殺していいって言われてるからな。
He's saying that like he didn't just get beat up by him.
感謝しろよ。俺たちはデビルハンターなんだぞ。じゃあいい人なのか？いい人に決まってる。俺の命の恩人だ。最強だ。
His stomach gonna hurt.
ワオワオワオワオワオワオワオ
Wow. Oh, that cut is fire. He should leave his hair like that. Nah, he's hot. He didn't flush?
魔人だ。
A fiend.
ああ、それじゃ俺魔人じゃね？違う。今回はお前が殺せ。悪魔に。
Not all of them, though.
魔人になってたかもしれねえからな。それでなんか楽に殺してやりたくて。
His character
デ
design
ビ
is
ルハンター
hard.
が
I'm
悪
not
魔に
gonna
同
lie.
情するな。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。なれる悪魔がいたらなりてえよ。俺友達いねえもん。その言葉。エッチ確認。
デンジの
胸揉んでみて。俺の本気、俺のゴール、それは胸だ。
胸だ。
おい、話聞けバカ。魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？まあいいか、よろしくな。
魔人は悪
人間早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる。
It's not worth it,
問題
bro.
はどうやって胸を揉むかだ。
He's focused.
もし
やろう。俺をはめやがったな。パワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして俺をやめさせる気なんだ。
血の匂いじゃ。
おいおい、てめえどこ行け。
勝負じゃ戦いだ。
足早や。
現場の封鎖と民間人の避難は完了させました。練馬の駅前に応援をお願いします。いや、ナマコです。ナマコわかりますか？え？いや、何？
わしの手柄じゃ。
Not worth it, bro. Oh my gosh, she's crazy. Let me see next week. Thoughts on this video, man? Oh gosh, that was a good episode. I like it. It's just, I feel like anime is getting a little repetitive. I need something. I'm not gonna call this repetitive though, but it seems more or less same story. You saved my life. I owe it to you. I'm gonna do this. Da, da, da. I just need something a little more fresh, but it's good. It's good. I want to see, you know, it's usually the same starting route, but it expands into its own thing. So I want to see how that goes. I don't remember their names right now. I only remember Denji and Shikamaru. I'm gonna call him Shikamaru. His character design is dope as hell, but like, what was he doing? The first 2 seconds he turned around after you spit on somebody, bro. Not a good. Don't ever spit on someone and think they're not gonna hit you back. Like, come on, bro. Be better. That new girl, she seemed dope as hell. I want to know how strong. Bro, Denji's horny. F that. Denji's horny. Like, he needs this. Like, he don't want it. He needs it, bro. Like, no remorse at all. He just like, let's go, let's go. So Sun took the job only for the boobs, and she was bad. Because you could see she got him under a trance. So I don't know if that's like really there or if that's just like his point of view because it seems like Shikamaru like her too, but he's just not as open about it. You know what I mean? So we got to see how that plays. I want to know how strong she is. She seems like she's the one in charge. She's in command. She must, at least for right now, she's one of the strongest people. Cause she said, if y'all mess up, I'll kill both of y'all. And the other one was a demon before. What kind of demon? I don't know how strong. They haven't like put a demon class yet, so we gotta wait for like a tiering, so we can see what that's about, how strong they are, where they rank in their tiers and whatnot. Overall, good episode though. She was wilding at the end. Like she said, psh, good thing she did though, because that guy would have ended up like Major Hughes, bro. Shout out Major Hughes, if you know, you know. FMAB. But I'm probably about to go watch his next episode. It wasn't too much action, just trying to set up plot right now. I want to get back into some more action. So we're going to end this video right here. Leave a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that. Share with your friends, whatnot. And we're going to get back to it.